So on Facebook groups, Reddit, YouTube, in person, people are constantly asking me how they can make money on Poshmark, what sells on Poshmark, or they want ideas of what they should sell or what they should look for. So today I'm going to walk you through a process that you can use to get some ideas on what you might want to sell, or if you already have inventory, get an idea of what your existing inventory may sell for. So the first thing that we're going to do is pick a market. I'm going to go for women's clothing today. And we have all these categories to pick from, all these brands to pick from. You can even select a certain size, like say you specialize in petite sizing or juniors or plus sizes, you can pick out a size or a range of sizes. You can also pick a price range. There's some people who are really into high-end fashion. They want to sell items, within the hundreds range. Other people are like, I'm going to yard sales and thrift stores. I want stuff that I can easily find and resell. So those folks might want to actually click on one of the lower ranges to narrow down their search criteria. You can also pick condition. Now, unfortunately, Poshmark only has all Inuit tags, so they don't have like separated by like fair, poor condition, and so on and so forth. They make you pick Nuit tags or everything else is used. So that does make it a little bit different compared to eBay and Mercari. But anyways, once you have everything picked out, once you have your category picked out, your brand, your sizes, anything like that, you're going to go and click on sold. So I'm not going to enter anything right now. I'm just going to click on sold. And here are a bunch of sold items. So if you're like completely clueless, just say you're not a fashion person and you're just starting out, this is a great way just to learn about what sells on Poshmark, what has sold, what kind of brands, what styles, how much specific items in your closet go for. So just scroll around and take a look at different items. So for example, high-end bags, as we all know, sell for a lot of money. Other items like Forever 21 don't sell for a whole lot, although I am surprised that that went for $25. Sometimes specific styles will sell for more money. So keep that in mind. Style is a very important factor in reselling. So yeah, just take a look. Now, say you are looking to resell a very specific item. Say you want to sell a backpack. We're going to go to backpack. Say you have an LL Bean backpack. I know it's not the most stylish thing, but this is an example, folks. I am going to go and enter LL Bean. We're going to get an idea of how much our imaginary LL Bean backpack would sell for. So obviously condition is going to play a role. If your backpack's in pretty rough condition, you're looking at maybe $12, $24, depending on the color and the style. If there is a brand new backpack sitting in your closet, click on new tags. You can scroll through and see all the different prices that they've sold for. So, as little as $20, $19, or as much as, let's sort, as much as $125. So this will give you an idea. Now you could even narrow down your search criteria some more. So I'm selling a blue LL Bean backpack, and it is the deluxe version. So deluxe LL Bean backpack. Okay, so here it actually is right here, $30. Not bad. So that's how you look up a specific item, and as we saw before, how you would look up just to get a general idea of what has sold on Poshmark and what kind of items that you might want to look into selling. And you can play around with this, enter whatever you want. Again, these were just random examples that I came up with on the spot. This wasn't rehearsed or anything. So now go ahead and open up a tab and log into Poshmark and play around and see, what kind of things in your closet are going to be of value and what kind of things that maybe you want to start buying to resell.